Hello, I'd like to welcome you to 2605 Youngwood. This home is priced at $429,900. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, situated in Cantonment. Let's go take a look inside. You walk in, has a nice living room. Let's go to the right. This is a hall closet. There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms on this side. First bathroom, bedroom, another bedroom, and in between these two is a Jack and Jill bath. Full bathroom with tub and everything. And there's another bedroom here with the high ceilings. As we walk in through here, we'll go around to the other side. There's a master suite. Master suite with an extremely large walk-in closet, large bathroom, sunken jacuzzi tub, full shower, double vanity, granite countertops, tile travertine throughout. As we walk back in here, you'll see that there is another gathering room, very large open kitchen, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, large pantry, which goes into the laundry room, large kitchen. Now, as you saw in the front, here they have another room, and it's an office. You can close it off and turn it into a 5th bedroom, but because it does not have a closet, it is just another living room, or you can use it as a dining room. Thank you for watching and sharing.